Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Aviator game on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your App Store to get started. If you're using Android, open up your Play Store. Into the search box, type in Aviator game and perform your search. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see the application displayed right at the top of the display. Give it a tap and tap on the Get button in order to download the Aviator game right on your iPhone or Android. Soon after you do that, the game download process will begin and it'll only take a few minutes to download. The Aviator game is the most popular casino game with proven honesty. Once you download the game, you'll be able to see the open button. Give it a tap to launch open the app. That is how you can easily do it. Follow through the prompts and you can easily start and play the game. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.